Okay there, viewers out in YouTube land. I hope this helps somebody. One of today's projects, I'm going to be working on my Harbor Freight Predator 3500 generator, which is about 5 years old. And at this moment in time, has 1,142 hours. Just did an oil change on it. I use this to charge up my off-grid battery system here at the Tennessee Off-Grid Project. And what has happened lately is, and I'll show you, I just replaced the battery. When you hit the start button, nothing. No clicking, no nothing. Make a long story short, I tested everything and I found out what the problem is. The switch is okay, battery voltage is okay. I'm now going to remove, I think it's like 9 screws. Take this cover off, 3 here, 2 on the top. There's 3 on the bottom. You got to pop these wheels off. I believe there's another one over here you got to take off. And I'll show you what it looks like on the inside and a quick test you can do to see if that is indeed your problem. So let me get this set up and I'll be back. I'm going to get this so I don't have to pull the rope. Okay, I've removed the screws. And I'll show you those in a minute. I'm going to pop the wheels off real quick. All that noise you hear is wind and rain. It's real bad here today in the metal building. So here's how you take the wheels off. This little clip over here. Clip on the paint, the washer. Sure I'm getting my head in the way. Anyway, that's how you do the wheels. That's what the little clip looks like. You just pull it straight up. Take your wheel off. Now this panel will come off. As soon as I lift it up a little bit, apparently. There we go. Here's your pull cord. All right, I'm going to get my multimeter and a screwdriver and show you the real easy way to test what your starter problem is, okay? I'll be right back again. Okay, I'm going to try to keep this short and sweet. I've got a little jumper wire on the negative side of my meter, and I'm going to show you how you check your starter to see if it's a solenoid or the starter. Just get my head out of the way. You come over here and you test the battery cable, which actually, when you do this, you should disconnect your battery. So 12.87. When you go to the solenoid switch, there's nothing now. When you push your starter button, 12.87. 12.87. So that's telling me this is working, the signal's working, solenoid's not working, and the easy way to test completely, short out these 2 wires on the back, which is what the solenoid does. Okay, your starter's fine, solenoid's no good. So I bought this little cheap one on Fleabay. It was like 10 bucks. And I'm going to take this one off and install this one. And I've already tested it on a bench. It does indeed work. Okay, so I'll be back. Super simple. Okay, I'm going to show you another little quick tip. When you're swapping over your solenoid, I just had to change the connector. It had a pin. This is a male spade. Take a wrench and hold the second nut down here when you're cracking these loose, or tightening them, because you can break this little piece of plastic and then you're going to have a bad day. So that's just a little tip. How do I know that, you might ask? Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I got a little carried away. I just went ahead and installed that one. Here is the original one. This one off of eBay is a little bit different. I think I already showed it. There was a plug wire I had to cut, and I replaced it with a male spade, which I tightened up some loose wiring over here, plugged it in. When you hook your positive wire, of course, after you've disconnected your battery, that's what you should do. Doesn't matter which one you put it on which. I put it on the bottom, and the one going to the starter motor, I put it on the top because it just made sense. So theoretically now, when I hit the starter, the starter should engage. There you go. There's your bad solenoid fixed. How to check it real quick. And I hope that helps somebody. That's probably a 15-20 minute job tops if you've done, you know, stuff like this before. And I didn't want to make a 20-minute video out of here just so I could listen to myself talk about such a short job. And it actually fit perfectly. I didn't think the bracket was going to work on that aftermarket one. Lined up perfectly. So it was under $11. Tax, title, and tag out the door. Pretty good deal. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody with a similar problem. Very simple to do if you got basic knowledge and some simple hand tools. All right, I'm gone. There's your Harbor Freight 3500 watt generator fixed. Most any electrical starter system is very similar to this. They list that same solenoid for Wins and Harbor Freight ones and Champion. It was a whole bunch of. Okay, talk to you later.